Indian constitution is influenced by a lot of other constitutions. Let us briefly have a look at each one of them. Talking about the British Constitution, the idea of the parliamentary form of government, single citizenship, rule of law, institution of speaker, lawmaking procedure, and procedures established by law are all derived from the British Constitution. Talking about United States Constitution, we borrowed fundamental rights, federal structure of government, electoral college, independence of judiciary and separation of powers, judicial review, President as the Supreme Commander of the Armed Forces, and equal protection under law, among others. From the Irish Constitution, we derived the directive principles of state policy, and from the Australian Constitution, we derived freedom of trade and commerce, powers of national legislatures, concurrent list, terminology of the preamble, among others. From the French Constitution, we derive the ideals of liberty, equality, and fraternity. From the Canadian Constitution, we derived our federal system, also referred to as a quasi federal form of government. Further, distribution of powers and residual powers are the concepts from Canadian Constitution. From the Soviet Union, we derive fundamental duties and constitutionally mandated planning commission. From the German Weimar Constitution, we derived emergency provisions under Article 356. From South Africa, we learned about amendment of constitution. And from Japan, we borrowed due procedure of law.